Okay, that's it. That's step number one. Introduction, frequent education webinars. Okay, so this is where the education webinars. So now we get to decide on how often you need to do these webinars. Okay, for me, in my business, I'm doing it every week. Okay, every Thursday there's a virtual selling webinar that I'm doing, and that would be my prospecting tool. I picked up the phone, I reached to them. Whatever I'm teaching here, I applied. Okay, so that's why I know it works. So I reached out to the people in my life, people that I know in my network, and then I started having the same conversation I'm going to teach you how to do, how to have. And then from that conversation, they would start, if they don't do business with you, or if they're not interested, you will ask them for who you might think that could benefit from what I'm doing right now. So the same system that I used with all my, with you guys, with Albuquerque, with the mining company, with Mawad in Beirut, with, Arizona Correctional Industries, the same system, I'm using you right now, I'm teaching you, okay? And you can do that too, okay? Introduce applicable discount and better, I hate that word, discount. Ugh, it's just like a knife just hits me. I really like that word. So introduce applicable discount and better delivery periods. So here's how I use discount in my webinar. And I'm happy to send you my webinar so you can look at it, how people register. So I put my webinar, I put a price on it. Nothing is for free. I put a price on everything that I do. My time is of value. I want you to say out loud. Okay, everybody unmute yourself. Say out loud. My time is of value.
My time is value.
My time is
Time
of
is
value.
value.
One more time. My time is of value.
My time is the value.
Exactly.
My time is of value.
My time is a value.
Right. Your time is of value. Your time is value. The time that goes, it never comes back. Your time is of value. Okay. So don't give anything unless you are getting something of equal or more value. And I'm not saying this from sense of being selfish. No, I'm giving these webinars, but I put a price tag on it. Okay. This is how much this webinar is. However, I'm happy to give you a 1 month free access to it. At the end of the 1 month, you can decide if you want to work with me or not. Okay, that's how I do it. Okay, you can do it. We can customize it where it fits your business, but don't just give them, oh, it says free this or free that, because people are bombarded right now with free webinars. The last thing they want is another free webinar. We call this here in the US white noise. What's it called, please?
White noise.
White noise. This is white noise. White because you have good intentions. You're trying to help. It's called white, but it's noise. There's so much of it. There's so many of it. It's white noise. Okay. So that's why, just don't just give a lot of like free. Just make sure that you put a value to it. Okay. In this webinar, you're going to learn this, and that, and then you'll be able to structure it accordingly.